All right, what's going on, everyone? Today's January the 1st, 2023. Let's talk about Chargepoint today, and let's see what's going on with the market in Chargepoint. Take a look at this. I did a price prediction in Chargepoint, telling you all that price is going to go down. Here we are today. The market came all the way down to that area of support, and that is where the market actually reversed course. You guys can see it. It stopped right down here in my OTP price of around $8.50. The price started to go back up. This is powerful information right there. 20% win in the market for that last price prediction, which was produced on December the 12th. So you guys cannot say you did not have advance notice that Chargepoint was going to go down. Now, let me show you this though. Okay, so look at this. I told you all that if the market in Chargepoint was to get rejected at $12, that I would still look for price to go down. And right here, December the 13th, that's where the confirmation occurred. We still got rejection at $12 in Chargepoint. See, it's easy. This is not a difficult job to do. When people tell you that it's impossible to know where price is going to go or what to expect at certain price levels, I've shown you right now an example that you can actually do it. Congratulations to those who also predicted the same thing. Now, here we are today though. Okay, that is old news. That's old information. For us, we try to be forward thinkers as to what we need to be prepared for in the next price movement. Now, overall, nothing has changed in Chargepoint. We still get the gist that the market is in a downtrend. Okay, so we're still in that realm. Nothing has changed in that perspective, but we have to be cautious of how bullish the market is going to be in Chargepoint, because right there around $10 is an area that we've identified to where sellers are going to be. Now, buyers were once there at $10, but now since we have traded below that area, we need to be prepared for sellers to be here. Okay. Now, the last couple of days, I would say the last 2 days into the market in Chargepoint has been great. The market over the last 2 days have seen price go up 5% on that 2-day price bar. Let me zoom in so you all can see. So we saw the market run up almost 5.5% on that 2-day price bar, and almost 10% on this prior 2 days. So there is still some emphasis of where price is trying to go. Over the last two-day price bars, we all can see that market wants to go higher. My only concern is $10. That's it. Looking at Chargepoint on the 3-day, I like the 3-day chart as well. The market is still giving us a massive spread move higher. That is telling us that the market is trying to go somewhere, and it is not trying to go down right now. Here it is on the 5-day. Okay, 5-day. So we need to be prepared to see where the sellers could be at. So that means that our price target will have to be around those areas. My first price target will be $10. My second one would be here around $10.50. And my third one would be around $11, or right here at this downtrending line. Those would have to be the 3 price targets. It's just that simple. Here it is, 3 minutes into the video. We've already have an idea as to what our price targets would be. $10 there, $10.50 here, and maybe around 11 at that descending line. So here it is on the weekly chart. I like on the weekly chart as well. 2 weeks, probable precursor of strength there. Here it is on the 3 weeks chart. So again, $10 is where it's at. I'm just gonna keep it a buck. So if we don't see price in Chargepoint break above $10, let's not question and say, well, why is not price going up? HueFin News said that price was going to go up, and it didn't. Well, I'm telling you that $10 will be that first level of test for the buyers to see if they really want to move price higher than $10. Okay, so let me go ahead and put this on the chart, and I'll let you all go. Look at that. That's a very strong move to the upside in Chargepoint. Very, very strong move. Look at that. That's on the 3-hour chart too. Let's see this on the 15 minutes. Yeah, so I'm going to look around $9.80 to $10 as the first price target. Okay, so I'm going to put this on the chart. So I said like $9.80. That's 3% move higher, maybe $10, which is around 4.2% market move higher. Okay, so that's our first price target there. And I won't be surprised if the market doesn't break above it. I wouldn't even be surprised, because that $10 is going to be a hard area for the buyers to try to move higher. I'm just saying. My second one is going to be around $10.50. That's 10% market move. Then my third one, which is highly unlikely right now, if I were to give it a percentage chance of us seeing price in Chargepoint 1 to 11, say maybe around like 20% chance that we could possibly see the market in Chargepoint 1 run up to $11. Okay, So that is it. I am done. Real quick, real simple and easy in terms of how price action is already being dictated on a price chart. We just simply need to pay attention to it. So now's your turn. Drop me a comment and tell me what is your price prediction in Chargepoint. Are we going to see the market move higher? Do you think it's a buy? If you think it's a buy, how high do you think price is going to go? I have given you my 3 price targets as to where I'm suspecting price is trying to move to. Now I want to know, what do you think? Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.